It's finally starting to feel like spring here in London, which probably means I need to get rid of the winter beard. Which brings me to Chelsea Physic Garden. Stay with me, I'll explain more. Now, Chelsea Physic Garden is the second oldest botanical garden in the UK, which makes it a really interesting theme for a barbershop like Ted's Grooming Room, and that's where I'm heading. Like many gentlemen, I grew my beard out over the winter, keep my face warm, but now it's spring, I think it's time to change it up a little bit. This is the magnificent 323 Kings Road Ted's Grooming Room. Let's go check it out. So Jen, how's it going? You alright? Good to see you, man. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I'm good. Love the place as always. Some really cool features here. This is rooted in remedy and refinement. It looks really cool. Should we get a haircut?
Of course.
Nice one. What Ted's Grooming Room do well is create a space for you to just kind of relax and enjoy. The attention to detail in here is unmistakably Ted, from the custom wallpaper, vintage props and handwritten neons. Everything just flows and it really sparks your intrigue. And of course there's a lot of synergy in here between the barbering world and the gardening world, such as the shears they have up on the wall here. Thankfully, they only use scissors, but I've been informed they might need to use the shears for my beard today. That's it, gents. Spring refresh complete, and I'm feeling a lot better for it. See you on the next one.